What's up? Welcome back to the channel. We are on day 3 of the restoration of the 95 Bass Tracker. We have made a little bit more improvements from yesterday. We've cleaned up everything and kind of, I guess you could say, organize it. But Mike is back today, and here's a kind of a closer look of the bow. So we have all this kind of foam in the front here that we're leaving all of that, but we took out all the carpet, and you can see they put carpet on top of foam, which we could probably do the same on this side and make this a compartment if we wanted to, but we have come down to the conclusion of we are replacing this piece of wood. It is it'd be okay for a season or two. All right, it's been a long day. We've kind of been, I guess you could say, messing around at Home Depot too much. But oh man, we spent way too much time at Home Depot. But we've got some progress done. Mike's working on this one here.
Right on, guys.
That's one of our big panels. That one has kind of been a pain.
What?
And then we've got 2 hatches done, which look pretty good, if you ask me. But we barely made a dent in this carpet, which is good. We got our plywood back there that we need to cut and do, but right now we're trying to do all the shitty parts, which is all this carpeting. It's really taking forever. We're having to use, what we're doing is we're using this indoor carpet adhesive on the face and then on this back side, because you can't really, that stuff takes like almost 20 minutes to set. This stuff we're spraying on the back side, which is working fantastic. Sets in a couple minutes and bam, you can start doing the edges. But
I don't remember how it goes back together.
I do. I'll figure it out. But yeah, we got quite a mess, and we got about 100 more panels to go, I think. But we're getting there. We are getting there. But we'll see. We're running out of daylight. Probably get one more done, maybe 2 more. Maybe
Week 3.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for week 3.
We don't have to carpet this one, right?
We do have to carpet that one.
We do?
Yeah, look at it. That's why I said the wires don't come out, so we're gonna have to figure out a way to get through it.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
We'll just
And we gotta shoot a video on that, on the motor too. It's ready to be fired up. Didn't have time to do that today. But we'll get back to it. Alright, what's up? It is day 4, and it's just me today. Nobody else is helping me today. No Mike. He bailed out on me. But who needs Mike? I mean, I've pretty much done a lot today. We got new board cut out. We got the top piece cut out. I got that one just done. A couple more panels done. By the way, that panel is in. Looks good. All these little pieces here just kind of take a while to, that's my console. But I have this piece here, that piece there, and the 2 wood pieces, and then all these doors. That door, the live well door, this door, and this door right here. And then she's almost done, man. It's crazy. I think next weekend I'll be able to put everything back together. Well, I haven't filmed very much at all because I've just been trying to get this done. But, bam. We pretty much got carpet. All we got left to do is this little back section I'm standing on. And then I gotta put all that together. It's just sitting there. But hey, that's what it's gonna look like. It's gonna look killer. Good week, I guess. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.